Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. I got a real short video for you today. Won't take up much of your time. It's July the 10th, 2020. Been working on this thing all day. Been working on body panels, doors. Got some patchwork to do on those. Gonna have to get a little welding and a patch in behind that to get where to hold the mirror on. That's all rusted out once I ground into it. Overall, the door's in pretty good shape. Fenders, we bought one new fender for the passenger side. The normal rot from the battery tray and all that was rotted out and gone. So there's those. There's the driver's side fender. Everything's good to go there. Got a little bit of work to do on it, but all in all, it's in good shape for a 68 model. Pay no attention to the wires slung all over the thing everywhere, or the sawhorse that I keep tripping over. But anyway, here again we've got the just a loop in the water there, just temporary. We haven't hooked it up yet. We're running straight water in this thing right now. But it's finally the day. I have got this thing. A little hard to start. Let's see here. I did go ahead, the factory gauge here for the battery is shot. It don't work, and the temperature hand don't work. I didn't want to cut into there. I was gonna, and I still may in the future, buy the actual from LMC or somewhere, the replicas, the aftermarkets, and put in there where it'll be correct. But for the time being, I done this and stuck those up there. I didn't cut the dash or anything. That can be, take those two screws out and the plates and put it right back if I want to put a radio in it. Anyway, have to get it started here. It takes a little bit to get going. Fuel pump kicked on, and hope that comes through. Gotta fix that. There it is, unedited and everything. Belt squeak. The whole 9 yards. This belt right here is a little bit too long. I've got all the adjustment taken out of it, but it's just got too much play. So I'll go to town tomorrow and get a new belt. I'll take that one off here in a minute and get one just a little bit shorter and put that on there. But anyway, there it is, folks. It runs. Been following the build, or if you've been following the build, I'll link some of the other ones here in the corner. Like I said, I won't take up much more time. I just wanted to show you all that the thing runs. Finally got a little work on my wires I got to do down there. Some of those is kind of close. Of course, got to put a breather and all that stuff on it. But anyway, quick video. If you enjoyed it, if you're following this build, please like, subscribe for more. I'll have some more here in a few days. Have a great day. God bless. See you on the next one.